Our port workers, Sri, need to be prioritized. They've been on the job since day one of the emergency orders here stateside, and we need to keep them safe and healthy. I currently co-signed a letter along with our labor leaders and employers, other businesses, to the three West Coast governors of Washington State, Oregon, and California, asking for just that. Priorities on vaccination, testing, and necessary protocols to keep them safe on the job.
It's challenging, though, isn't it? Surely from an official point of view, because I'm sure industry leaders across the transportation networks, not just the port authorities and people like yourself are making the same case. So how do you begin to reconcile that, where there are justifiably so many essential workers across the transportation network?
Yeah, and we want to have that policy discussion to make sure that there is a line of sight, and so the suppliers understand where those dosages need to go and in what quantities. So I think they're all healthy discussions, and we're behind the efforts of the country and the world to help vaccinate our population.
Right. And Gene, how many folks are we talking about here in terms of the numbers?
Here on the docks, we have 15,000 longshoremen and women, another 18,000 truckers, and then numbers in the warehouse community as well as other transportation workers. I've described to you before that 1 in 9 people, more than 1 million, go to work every day with jobs related to this port complex. The numbers are huge.
Understood. But we can be more confident about the outlook, about business conditions and about trade flows, Gene. Can we, in 2021, now that we have a vaccine rollout and more effective vaccines on the horizon, how would you characterize the outlook in 2021?
Well, I think it's going to be interesting. UCLA here just published a study saying that once we get through the winter and the vaccine starts to roll out to those essential workers following the medical and healthcare community and into the general population, they see an uptick in the economy. That will take some time. Similarly, though, we're seeing the change in the American consumer buying habits right before our eyes. We're no longer buying services at this juncture to the levels we were, and we're buying tangible goods at the retail, omni-channel, and internet-based service provider level. So we'll continue to see goods flowing as we make this transition.